Good morning, students. This is our chapter number 3, the River Valley Civilization, the Indus Valley Civilization. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the meaning of civilization, characteristics of civilization, reasons for settlement near the rivers, periods, sources about the civilization. Today, we are going to study about the characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization. Town planning. Town planning was the unique feature of the Indus Valley civilization. They planned their town. Their town planning proved that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. Means it's proven by their lifestyle that they lived in a very high civilized and developed life. Well-planned cities were the most striking feature of the Indus Valley civilization. Their cities are well planned and most striking features, and that is the most striking feature of the Indus Valley civilization. The general layout of most of the Harappan cities was carefully planned in similar manner. That is the similar to the previous features like striking or well planned cities. All the Indus Valley cities followed the grid pattern in formation of their roads. They formed their road in the grid pattern and the streets in the grid pattern. Besides, special attention was given to the drainage as well as the sewage system. And moreover, they also give an importance for the drainage, for the gutters as well as the sewage system in all the cities. Indus people were the first to build planned cities. They are the first people who built the planned cities. Many Harappan cities were divided into a series of rectangular blocks, forming a grid pattern. This system was not known to or followed by any other Bronze Age civilization. Any other civilization didn't copy their thing in the Harappan civilization people use. Streets were nearly 30 feet wide. Their roads are 30 feet wide and crisscross each other. Main road too had a width of about 8 to 10 meters. So the roads are very wide. Roads lying east to west cut across or intersect the main road at right angle. They intersect or cut the main road at the right angle. The main road were curved at the corner, and the main road curved at the corner so that heavy cart could turn with easy. The heavy carts of bullock carts like they can turn very easily. Both streets and road were lit up by lamp posts during the night. So they use lamp posts to brighten the night. Beside every street had a well to provide water. They have well to provide water to the traveler and the public. Houses were constructed on both sides of the street and lanes. Dustbins were provided by at regular intervals to keep the road clean. Fine quality bricks were used in the construction of the building and the houses. Cathedral and lower towns were the two divisions of the most of the Indus Valley cities. So what is cathedrals? Cathedral was the upper part of the Harappan cities. It was built on a raised platform. It is built on the raised platform, which were enclosed by high walls, and it is covered with the high walls. These walls provide protection to the city from the enemies as well as the flood. And these long walls help the inner buildings to protect them from the enemies and also from the flood. Many important public buildings such as temples, public bath, granary, and assembly hall were built in the cathedral areas because that's are very important things for a city. It is the most probable that the cathedral was mainly built for the ruling class because it is protected by the ruling class. The main cathedral is in Indus Valley was about 12-meter tall. It's almost 12-meter tall. The Great Granary. The Great Granary was the largest building at the Harappa in the cathedral area because it kept the grains, and grains is the most important thing because from grain they get their food. It was the most impressive structure of the Harappan city. This structure had two rows of six granaries, all of them situated near the river area. They were probably built near the river area so that the grain could be easily transported by boats. Timber was the largely used in the construction of the building. Timber is a kind of wood that is largely used in the construction of the building in the Harappan civilization. These granaries were very well ventilated and mainly built with the thousands of fire bricks for the purpose of the storing grains for trading purposes, for the sale and purchase of the for the sale purpose of the grain, or using it at the time of calamities such as famine or flood. At the time of flood they use that grains. Several circular brick platforms and rows of holes on their platforms have been found toward the south of their granaries. The Harappan people built granaries above the ground. They built the granary above the ground. They want to keep the stored grain away from rats and insects, protect them from rats and insects. Remains of grain in the whole area show that the circular platform were probably used for raising the grain in those times. Numerous two-rooms quarters have been found in the nearby area where the laborers working in the great granary lived. They have two quarter means who the laborers who working in the great granary live there in the two quarters made near the granary. Corn mills were found near the quarters. They have corn mills near the quarters. Several furnaces which were used by metal workers to produce a variety of metal objects have also been found in the granary area. We can see the metal workers produce the variety of metal object in the granary area. So student, that's all from this class. The great bath we will discuss in our next class. Thank you student. Thank you for listening.